Hi guys, it is July 4th. I am out here. It's not quite 100 yet, but I wanted to give you a full little tour of the salad bowl area and the sunflowers. But first, let's start here with our wheelbarrow. These beautiful pansies, gorgeous. And this is an attempt at spinach, and it is just an attempt. I think what I have learned here is I need to just do really shady things under here. You can't really push it. There's not a lot of airflow. I think maybe next year I'm going to fill that soil level up some more and maybe some more pansies. I love pansies, but I love the way that petunias really fill out quick and they really spill over just as quick, and I love that part of it. So I've got time to think about that. So here we've got our sunflowers. They're getting quite tall. And yes, I've got some beans running up there. I don't see any beans on the inside of the windows yet that I can look at the comfort and air conditioning. Got some zucchini down here. You can see we've got some beans running up our sunflower stalks. And these are the beans I did a video on how to transplant them. I did that last week. Real quick, right before I went to work. Here is the mini pumpkin, which is really filling out quite nicely. And I did cut some of these leaves myself. You can see there and here, just to where it didn't open the cavity of the actual stem, so nothing could bore in there. We'll see how that goes. This is the first time growing this variety for me. Now here we have these beautiful tomato planters. The first ones here are going to be yellow. The ones behind them are going to be red. So I'm going to have these beautiful pops of yellow and red that are going to match my door that have beautiful little birds on them that I just got from Michael's and just clipped on there. And that is a curly willow. I just took it, sculpted it in the middle. You can kind of see there. All that is just black ribbon hiding the green wire. And I just found something I liked to camouflage it. That's all I did. I've got some carrots in here. Got a little bit of lettuce. I'm going to let go a little bit longer. And I did the same thing with these buckets, a little bit less because they are smaller buckets. So, did the same thing here for the symmetry. And here, this lettuce was good enough for me to cut today so I can have a little bit of salad. And that should grow back for us. Here I planted, I'm not sure if I planted anything in here. These are the garlic and onion green chives. I need to come in here and cut these back. It's just not on the top list of my priority right now. I should say for the garden. And I tried, and you can see there's, I don't know, maybe a couple spots here that are missing that should look like that with our butter peas. So these aren't taking too well. Cilantro, a little bit of green onions. The one in the back tomato buckets are doing way better. Here, again, I tried to put butter peas. It didn't take. Here's the baby oak leaf, loose leaf, some more loose leaf next to it, which was the pine tree mix. This is now officially bitter. I pulled that other stuff maybe about a month ago. This still had a little bit of, I don't know, time left to it because it is in a shady area. But now that we've had almost 100 degrees, it's done. I need to pull it. This is the All-American. I just came out here and cut a bunch of this. Ate that. Delicious. Here's that French one. I never know how to pronounce, but there is a video on it. And our butter peas, which are supposed to be bush. For some reason, they're running. I don't know what's up with it. They've never run before. Of course, this is the year I went crazy and planted a lot, thinking they could serve as more of a ground cover. But now they're running, and I got to figure out how to deal with that. Here's some of the cilantro patches here and here that I just cut and froze, and I've got a video on that as well. And you can see some of it starting to grow back. So if you do make a salsa with your NutriBullet or NutriBlast, whatever that machine is called, you do have little leftover pieces of garnish you can come back and pull from your cilantro. But I'm going to rip this up and put some new stuff in. So that is the front of our house and salad bowl area here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do hope that you subscribe. That sure would be sweet. Have a fantastic day.